Good morning, everybody. This is Time with Tucker the turtle. As you can see, Tucker is already in his feeding bucket. And this is the second video of Mommy cleaning Tucker's tank. So this video won't be a whole lot about watching Tucker, but it might be a good video if you are thinking about getting a turtle just like Tucker, to know what it will be like for you or your parents to keep him healthy and to clean his tank. So we are going to go over here to his tank just after he takes a bite, because I want you to see him eat a little something here. Oh, maybe not, buddy, huh? Okay, so we're going to go over here to his tank. Here's his tank. And we've already shut off everything. So in addition to the heat lamp and the light that is normally shut off during his feeding time, I also shut off the 2 filters and this heat stick that keeps his water temperature just right for him. So all of these things are off right now, and they've been off for a while, so nothing is hot anymore. And then I have a 5-gallon bucket here. It can be any bucket. This one is rinsed out very well. We've used it for several different things. But obviously you want to make sure it's a clean bucket with nothing in it. And then I have, it's called a Terra pump. It will pump the water out of the tank. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this into the inside of the tank. Do you hear the bubbles? Right to the level where I want the water to go. Now this is going to empty to about here on this pump. And as you can see, there is a tube here. If you can imagine this tube like a straw, that's what this tube is. So the tube is a straw, a big long straw, and we're going to put the other end in our bucket. That's very important. The other end is in the bucket. Otherwise, you are going to have a wet floor. Another way that you can do this, you can take buckets of water out by hand. That's a lot of work. Or you can use this like a sieve. A sieve is a fancy word for kind of like a straw, where some people, instead of buying a fancy pump, they will just quickly suck on the end to get the water started to go into the bucket. So if I had the water, if I had the end of the tube in there with no pump, and I had this end, I would suck on the end of this straw and then quickly stick it in the bucket before I got the nasty water in my mouth. But I decided to pay the extra money to get the pump. So this pump comes with a handy on-off switch right here. So when I click it on, let's see here. There's lots of safety features in place to make sure that you don't end up getting wet.